In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FB Markets to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here on FB Markets, of course, you have to create an MT5 trading account. So I'm going to show you how to do this using a demo account, but of course, you could do the same thing with a real live account as well. Now here, of course, you have to first fill in your personal details, and then you have to select the platform, and if you want MT5, you want to click on MetaTrader 5 over here, and the second thing that's very important is the trading account password. So just make sure you actually type in a password you'll remember because you're going to need it inside MetaTrader 5. Now, whenever you do this here, you'll be able to see this page where it basically says your account number and then your platform server, and then it's going to tell you that everything you need is inside your email, okay? So of course here you could go ahead and download the MT5 on your computer by clicking your operating system over here, and it's going to download MT5 onto your computer, and then make sure you also open up your email because in there you'll be able to see your trading account number, your server, and of course half of the password you actually created in case you don't remember it, okay? Now after that, go ahead and open up MT5, click on the very top left where it says file, and then click on open an account. After this, type in FB Markets, just like this, and click on find your company, and then it's going to pop up a few things, and here you have the FB Markets LLC. Just click on that and click on next. And then in here, where it says connect with an existing trade account, click on here and then first type in your login, which is going to be a trading account number. So for me, it's this one. Let me just quickly copy it over here. There we go. It's not letting me for some reason. Let me just actually retype it. 7363. And then I have 595. There we go. So make sure you do that yourself as well. And then after that, put in your password too. Okay. There we go, just like this, and then select your server. So for me, it's a demo one. I'm going to click on finish now. And there we go. As you can see, I'm now connected to FB Markets, and I can now go ahead and actually start trading inside MT5. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.